Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today we're checking out a high-speed, ultra-flexible networking solution, the CableCreation CAT8 right-angle Ethernet cable. If you're looking for top-tier speed, durability, and a space-saving design, this cable might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. One of the standout features of this CAT8 cable is its 360-degree rotating RJ45 connector. Unlike traditional straight connectors, this design allows for flexibility in tight spaces. Perfect for setups where standard cables tend to bend or break. Whether you're working behind a desk, gaming console, or home entertainment center, this cable prevents strain and increases lifespan. When it comes to performance, this CAT8 Ethernet cable is a powerhouse. It supports a massive 2000 MHz bandwidth and 40 gigabits per second transmission speed, making it ideal for high-speed internet browsing, 4K/8K streaming, and lag-free gaming. If you're into online gaming or streaming heavy media, this cable ensures low latency and stable connections, no more buffering or lag spikes. C. Superior build quality and anti-interference. The CableCreation CAT8 cable is built for stability and performance. It features 4 pairs of shielded foil twisted copper wires, UFTP, a gold-plated connector, and a durable PVC jacket. This shielding significantly reduces interference, providing a more stable connection for data transmission. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, this cable delivers a seamless experience. This CAT8 cable isn't just about speed, it's highly versatile. Equipped with 2 shielded RJ45 connectors, it's fully compatible with Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7 devices. You can use it with gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox, smart TVs, routers, modems, networking printers, NAS, VoIP phones, and more. No matter your setup, this cable is ready to perform. With ultra-fast speeds, a flexible 360-degree rotating design, and top-notch shielding, the CableCreation CAT8 right-angle Ethernet cable is an excellent choice for gamers, streamers, and professionals who need a reliable and high-performance connection. Plus, it comes with a 24-month product replacement warranty and lifetime tech support, a solid bonus. If you're in the market for a durable, high-speed networking solution, this is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tech reviews. This is Alltech, signing off. See you in the next one.